Welcome to the ranch. Woo! Very excited to have you here. We have a short program for you. I am Dr. Jose Manuel Villarreal, Principal Rancho Buena Vista. Really proud principal here. And just want to welcome you to the new Career Technical Education Complex Beam Signing Ceremony. So we're honored to have our board members here for Vista Unified, Ms. Rosemary Smithfield, Renee Morocco, Rena, we're going to wave to her, you distracted me with your phone, hi. Mr. Cipriano Vargas. I believe our board president, Martha Alvarado, is here, so clap for her. And board vice president, Julie. Joined with us here is our superintendent, Dr. Doyle. Again, thank you to architects, contractors, and our project superintendent. We're also honored to have our District 4 council member here, Mr. Dan O'Donnell. And our mayor is here, John Franklin. And although we are all very important, we could not be here without the planning and support of our secretaries, Joanna Melliker, Candy Arreza, our assistant principals, and Chris Coppola. What began with an application in 2018, approval from the California Department of Education in 2020, and a groundbreaking in June 2022. Today, we're here for our beam signing ceremony. This is a long-standing tradition to commemorate project milestones and prosperity by the construction team, architects, district and school leaders, students, and other dignitaries. Today, we will leave our mark in the RBV community.
This work represents balance. Our school district is about learning. Learning is academics. Academics matter. Academics opens doors for students and their future. But also career pathways are an element of academics and learning. In our school district, we've always prided ourselves on offering career and technical education opportunities across our school district. Rancho Buena Vista hasn't had as many opportunities as our sister school on the other side of town. It's exciting that we're able to add 2, possibly in the future, 3 more pathways as a result of this amazing project.
And with that, the progress we continue to make in Vista Unified. Inside these buildings, incredible things happen for our students. And with that, we cannot do this work alone. Our teachers, our staff, our administrators, and ultimately the taxpayers that in 2018 approved Measure L to invest. And that's not just in education, not just in our students, but in the future of Vista Unified. Within this building, CTE, pathways for the future. Good jobs for our community that are going to be able to sustain not just individuals, but families all together for generations to come.
You get to know your children even when they're 5, 6, 7, and you can see their strengths and what they have. And I always felt we needed to up it a little bit because we were missing kids that maybe weren't college bound and had so many strengths and creativity in other areas. So this is making my heart full because we can reach out to those kids, and it is a need right now in our society for these trades. So this is at a good time. So I'm glad we are getting to them.
I just really want to thank everybody, especially the taxpayers who have continuously helped support all of the bond as we continue to move through each school in the district, especially RBV, to make sure that we are making these sites for our children not only more sustainable, but more opportunities for their growth in their years.
This opportunity for our youth and our community to grow and have these things for people that aren't going to college necessarily. So I just want to say thank you for all the efforts that went into making this.
That our kids deserve these new facilities. They need them, and we're very proud to see them begin construction and look forward to celebrating the ribbon cutting of this facility.
We are privileged here at Vista Unified School District to have had the good faith and trust of the taxpayers and the community for $247 million in taxpayer bonds in Measure LL, which is getting us a start on the work that we need to do to deliver on our promise of creating a 21st century learning environment for every student and every teacher in our classrooms.
Once completed, it'll be 11,000 square feet of new building for this campus that will include spaces for construction and welding pathways, as well as storage, support spaces, and ample room for exterior student learning. It can't be understated that the leadership of the district has shown that they've provided this for the students to get them prepared for a career in the construction industry.
Now it is our pleasure and our honor to be starting the last leg of the process to construct this building. As the steel beam is signed, we not only recognize this significant step in the construction sequence, but a major milestone in the process of adding a new facility to this campus.
I want to thank everyone who has been behind having this building built. This is a fun class. It is important for the real world, and as one of the only girls in the class, I feel proud that I am taking a class that mostly guys take.
This new career technical education complex will take us from the current classrooms and small outdoor space to be able to make our projects bigger and better. One reason I wanted to take the CTE construction class was because later on in the future I want to pursue a career in the construction industry. Mr. Cardenas has taught me how to read a tape measure, how to use different tools, and how to perform wood framing. I like the spirit of the class every time I walk into it. It's a class I look forward to every day.
Thank you for your perseverance and your leadership getting us through this project.